In the figure below, the diameter of the two identical quadrants is 40 centimeter. Now, a quadrant is nothing but a quarter circle, okay? Alright, and the diameter means this is an end-to-end length that passes through the center for the circle. Find the perimeter of the figure, take pi to be 3.14. Perimeter means outline. So whatever is outside, we need to add them all up together. Alright, so as you can see, there are two quadrants. One is here, another one is here. So let's just handle the two quadrants first. So when you add these two red parts, 1/4, another 1/4, you get a semicircular arc. Alright, a semicircular arc. So the value of this semicircular arc, this will just be half of the circumference of a full circle. Alright, take note, this is the circumference of a full circle. Alright, full circle, but I don't need the whole thing. I don't need the whole thing like this. I only need half of it. Alright, half of it, of means times in mathematics. So half times 3.14 times the diameter is 40. (62.8 cm). Alright, that is a semicircle arc. And don't forget, there is this staircase thing, or what we call a staircase kind of outline. Okay, now I purposely put the blue lines there together with this blue line because I want you to realize something. When you join these blue lines downwards, here, here and here, you essentially get one nice radius. So there's no need to individually find the smaller ones. Join them up, okay? Likewise, for the other blue lines, join it down, down and down. You get one radius as well. So all the blue lines will actually add up to give you a nice diameter. Okay, take note of that. Now, how about these green lines? Green, 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 green. Okay, if you join it downwards, downwards, downwards. If you join the lines here, you get a nice radius. Likewise, down, down, down. Join the green lines, you get a nice radius. Essentially, it is another diameter. Okay, so you have to add another 2 diameters for the blue and also for the green. So 62.8 plus twice of 40. Answer 142.8 centimeter.